A lighter is a mechanical device that produces a small flame, used to ignite a combustible medium. Usually used for lighting cigarettes, cigars, or pipes for smoking. One of the first lighters was the Berliner lamp or Berliner's lighter. Invented in 1823 by the German chemist Johann Wolfgang Berliner. And from then the lighter continued its evolution for decades. For example, in 1961 the brand Cricket launched the first disposable lighter ever. An Austrian scientist named Karl Lauer von Welsbau is credited for the invention of flint lighters. He patented ferrocerium, which eventually came to be known as flint, in 1903. Ferrocerium is a human-made mixture of metals that produces a bright white spark, while flint is hard mineral quartz that was historically used to light fires. They are very different things, but lighters that use ferrocerium were still marketed as flint lighters between 1910 and 1930. Nowadays it has become a lot of kinds and brands. Bic and Zippo are the most popular lighters brands, but there are a ton of other names that are well known and loved, like Halford Dunhill, Bic, Black Label, Clipper, Coleman, and so on. This is a short story about lighters. We hope you enjoyed in this video. Thank you for watching.